If you've encountered security checks on your Zelle account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Contact your bank. Reach out to your bank or credit union that offers Zelle. Use the customer service number found on their official website or your bank statement. Explain your situation and ask for assistance in restoring access. Step 3. Follow security protocols. Be prepared to follow any security protocols your bank may have in place. This could involve answering security questions, providing identification, or confirming recent transactions. Step 4. Update your information. If prompted, update any outdated information associated with your Zelle account. This may include your phone number, email address, or banking details to ensure your account is secure. Step 5. Test your access. Once your bank confirms that your access has been restored, log into your Zelle account to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Send a small transaction to verify that you can use the service without issues. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Zelle account after security checks. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your bank for additional support.